Black Kennedy. Also for this opportunity and the question you have given me to answer. So the basic thing and the necessary thing is artists also TRC mostly we conflate these things with our craft is.
Okay.
See it might be BAB. But I never call TRC and say you man rose no Obia need you play. For an artist to handle his or her distribution, to me, sometimes you find it out, but in actual sense, you can't. And you be an artist, and I see the see a Jumana. Say they are wanting and go for one and yes, and a Jumano Bemua is it here. A lot of things entails within the music production, from the production to the distribution, from distribution to publishing. So what you're saying? So I said the aspect of distribution. What artists in India who trim no say, oh, me the my distributor as a Mitianeka after the 14 days, 21 days, and you never cost us so BTR Minyaska. But even during or probably the process of uploading it is even important. If you don't get the right people to handle the right job at the right time, at the end they come and say everything that you are doing will go, and at the end they come back and affect you. That's why it's better to have a distribution partner or someone to handle your distributions. Initially, you are not bound to understand everything, but for the people who are there dedicated to do the distribution, they understand how the system works. And Mr. Black, so why a distribution that you understand, say, there are various systems we use for distributions. And within the distribution, there are things you the artist, maybe you can provide it, but how to even arrange it properly, no, UBT. Especially Opemsuo metadata. That's the first.
Especially the
metadata.
Metadata. Okay.
So the metadata are the first informations that you need to provide for the distributor. Basically, making sure say we know who performed this position, who did that on the particular song, to make sure say from there because I'm contribute to the vocals. Sometimes these artists can't even provide you metadata. You see that thing? So it's better to affiliate yourself to a distributor or probably find a partner to do those things for you. Another thing, when it comes to the music distribution, it is not ordinary just like that. It entails a lot. It is a whole thing, like I say, you are doing the distribution on your own. It's good, fine, you can do it on your own. But basically, the OT machine that's in your seeing wow, OT is all you see that thing. And I said, MC can system be and I said, yes, you go about it. You might see the interface very nice, but it goes deeper. So as I said, I have had the chance to use a Sony Music dashboard, that's the Orchard, and the normal average dashboard that we use. But I'm showing you there's a total difference. So I say difference in the should be pretty. So which means even if you don't find the right distribution company for the composition you are distributing, you are losing a lot. It's going to affect you. That is why it is the manager's duty to make sure he communicates that into the label. You see that thing? And the label, as it being big as it is, will find the right people to disseminate and share the song out there. But you just don't get up and be like, I'm an artist, I can do the distribution on my own. It's never like that.
With
Nipa or Trey Music Mopa distributors.
For Mike no be kaka. Our kasane dey as only
distributors na Trey Music work na because when it comes to that side of we sharing the song out there.
Okay.
Now artists mostly your mistake is we just get that because someone said this, someone said that, and we are just doing anything.
So bogo gola benya.
Artists in name yes, many people we distribute with ABR, for example, Dito Music, Intimiko Dito. Just because the person is there.
Yeah.
But you should know that every company out there doing music distribution have policies. Yeah. They have terms and conditions. They have how they go about even within their system, how to even learn how to use their systems. And even they teach beyond what we see to be like the regular system-based stuff. To the extent that they teach you how to even learn about you doing your metadata, getting your songs there, finding the right people to help you with your craft. But here in the case, artists in the Benya time, I can't do it. When you say, you will be a juma. So what I say. So for you not being able to read further, for you not being able to learn most things about how to go about these things, mostly you find it, fumbling. Or the best fumble no baby basa into me say miss me should be composition or release. You course metadata can no go sir. Now I never can say metadata no. The first basics in here distribution, but metadata later even here or publishing.
Okay.
It is our say no high, you call high into me. It is the first core of the thing you are doing. So we think 1 in a year. You could do publish inside and a bed yamai. So I say, you drew also I was on a home veteran and home veteran.
Does a distributor own a part of the music I make as an artist?
Yes. Breaking it down, I work at Crab meet my mama. So the first cost starts from the outlet. That's the store near the corner. The stores now they will generate the money for it to come down to the basis to the distributor's dashboard, and they have a policy. Now, your friend could be MLC. This MLC is an American-based company. They are the ones who make sure it's streaming in. They accumulate the royalties and split it to every distributor, every publisher. Until when those people are the people who determine say when your streams you say is casting out say the common distributor. Those people has percentage in it. It is a one that determines on national moments when you're scarcity and I want to generate you and say on better kakra. Stars being the outlet, and that's Apple Music for us better kakra. Distributor no make us a distributor and let's say for instance Ditto Music. And now let's use a different distributor, maybe TME. TME is also a distributor, but TME has partners they work with before the song gets to Apple Music. Before someone will stream on that platform, they will determine the streams and bring it back. That partners is also a percentage.
Okay.
And send a distributor, no, he being the final and you communicate with him, so a percentage. Tia can you free so can you say if I bear for an alpha, if you have to be free so. In see, and function with him say, 100%. You don't own 100% of the song you're doing. Okay, so there are two forms of distribution.
Okay.
So over distribution mo ya oba kwa and untieska.
Okay.
And sana waye.
Okay.
And common on bedi. Now agreements will be given to you. You sign. So when you sign based on the agreement, percentages will determine how the distributor will control the composition. And you have so upfront. So when you give them the upfront now, obey, but we will upfront cross the terms and conditions are be full.
Okay.
See that thing. So within those two contracts, we determine say the distributor will have a part of it or not. You see that thing. Let's take for instance, you're working with a top label, probably a top independent distribution. Those ones mostly they don't take upfront. And you're not there, but only percentage on it. The moment I only be doing commercial or only be at 30%.
So I can work to a distributor with like without any money in my hand.
Yeah.
No, I genuinely distribute to be a man.
Part of it.
Based on the contract, say he would own a part of it forever.
Forever.
Okay.
If you are still distributing with them.
So it ends when
maybe. But there are distributors who are the moment now catch them taking it down.
Say.
There's a distributor, I wouldn't mention the name. Ejumani is for the sake of Ejumani. What is Anyum more money? What do you mean, man? What chance when distributing a one or publishing on the crowd watch? It's also be a so independent publisher or quasi publisher, but conna Yadika Yada. Some man writes a publisher, see distributing cake.
Yeah.
So what I say, so Ejumani, style we say, fine, a be boom runner, so dear, but mostly. Say if you walk up with a distributor or walk up to a distributor, what do you mean man one Jews can be a can say they own part of it. It could be 15, 20, 25, 30. Most labros are 30%. But if a distributor go as far as maybe 30, 45%, can we say they are adding some things to the song in the form of promotions, in the form of getting you on maybe playlists, those things, so they have a percentage in it. So distribution is the first goal of you sharing the song out there. Distribution is basically making sure that the song is available on the streaming platforms for us to listen to. Whilst the publishing aspect in the publishing here say, and you know rights I want home say wait me jina the necessary say new way media say many nipa we na ye season sa emrano and sa nyama na wo nyano. You can control it at the expense of no say they will see feeling and I said the nipa no Montaigne contract in the city. So population is also part of more like a music distribution, but publishing is the bigger aspect. And no, it's kind of a channel or no, entities be bring a budget, but distribution they mostly no. I saw them no kwatwa bonse, but publishing here where you be protected rights in a one no.
And once the publishing is done, say this song was written and composed by DJ Khalis Manedia. Once it's being put out there, it can never change.
It can change.
Publishing is all.
It can change.
Okay.
But I don't know, yeah, mostly no, it depends. It was an oversight. Everyone say Mr. Black, no born some way actually kakra.
You refuse. You
refuse. You do the measure. You bet me sad with the as times goes, 100 years now, if someone is able to prove it, bring out something like a form of evidence or those things, you can go and omit it.
Okay.
You submit it to them, they will add the person and find a split for the person.
Okay, that's nice.